的影響力の低下、台頭する中国。東アジアに
A strong U.S.-Japan relationship is not only good for our countries but good for the world.
1時間45分にわたって行われた首脳会談で注目されたのは、尖閣諸島をめぐって対立する中国への対応と交渉。アメリカの記者からはさらに突っ込んだ質問が出た。
Are you saying that the U.S. would consider using military force were China to have some sort of military incursion in those islands to protect those islands? And how does that not draw another red line that you would have to enforce, putting U.S. credibility, your credibility, on the line once again, as it was in the case with Syria and Russia?
Territories under the administration of Japan are covered under the treaty. There's no shift in position. There's no red line that's been drawn. We're simply applying the treaty. At the same time, as I've said